So for the chopper drive here, to tension the chopper drive, we have an end-on-end tensioner. Once we've actually tensioned it here, one more step is to make sure the chopper block, so the block 1 here and the other block there, are pushed up against the arm. So to do that, all we need to do is loosen off the bolts. Once they loose, push it up against the arm. Once they're pushed up against the arm, then that means that this pulley and that pulley cannot whip, which means the belt now stays tensioned correctly. And now it's all set.